Hi everyone, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm here at Andrea Angeles YouTube channel and try ko maghanap ng ayun. Meron siyang everyday drugstore makeup. So all I have to do is watch her video and then follow it. Kailangan ko ba mag-sounds? Sige, magsa-sounds muna. What? Wait, I'm confused. Concealer? Alam ko concealer yung unang nilagay. Like, seriously? I have a bad skin, Andrea. What? So before I start, I'm going to put some Laneige on my skin first because my skin need this badly. And parang nag-skip na siya sa concealer. Andrea, wala talagang foundation. Hindi ako pwede magkamali, concealer yun. No way. My skin looks so bad. No. Oh my gosh. Ang unfair mo naman, Andrea. Porkit hindi mo na kailangan. I'm so confused. So, una niyang nilagay concealer. And I'm going to use my Sace Lady concealer. Oh my god. Why did she skip step? So, naglagay siya dito. And then blend. So unfair. So nag-spot conceal lang siya. Oh no. No. Tapos ganito nga lang binlend. Sobrang hirap. Oh my god. Kakaumpisa pa lang ng video. Tapos feeling ko, nagpe-fail na ako. Like, how do you do this? No. So maybe I'll just spread it. Nag-spot conceal siya like I have too many pimples to conceal them. So I'll try to blend it. So since I had to follow her makeup routine, hindi ako pwedeng gumamit ng ibang brush. So since gamit niya is ganito lang, I have to follow her. Holy crap. And then powder. After spot concealing, powder. I can do this. I can do this. So since I don't know what powder she used, pero nakalagay naman doon drugstore makeup. Pero ang gagamitin ko is my Laneige powder. This is so bad. Aalis pa naman ako ngayon. Tapos, ganito yung makeup ko. Like, no. Alam ko nag-spot conceal siya, pero hindi kasi hindi ako mahilig mag-ganun. Okay lang sa akin mag-foundation, tapos i-skip ko yung concealer. But, no foundation, like, my pimples are peeking through, so it's my fault though. So, lalabas ako ng ganito. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So, I just had to cover everything up with powder. Ito na lang kasi yung magsasalba sa akin. Hindi kasi ako masyadong mahilig sa concealer. Kilay. How am I gonna do this? So for my eyebrows, I'm going to use eyebrow soap. Tapos this is not going so well. Okay, so we're now done with our eyebrows. Next is nose line. Okay. So for my nose line, I'm going to use my sparkle, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to use a small mirror, and then just going to do our nose line. This is one of the weirdest makeup that I did, pero I think gusto ko siya kasi sobrang light niya because wala sigurong foundation. Like, spot concealing is like a thing for me. Oh my gosh. It looks so weird. I think we're done. I overdo it too much. So let's continue. Eyeshadow. So, parehas yung ginamit niyang pang contour tapos eyeshadow. So, yung nose line niya simula dito. Pag ganun. Feeling ko okay na yan. It looks so weird. Let's continue. I think almost lahat ng products na gamit niya is from Maybelline. So, nag-curl siya ng eyelashes. Then, meron siyang Maybelline na mascara. But I'm going to use my Sace Lady mascara. So, her next step is blush, and I'm going to use my Sace Lady blush. Tapos highlighter. So her next step is highlighter. So naglagay siya dito. For lipstick, I'm going to use my Colorette Bonnie, and nawala yung shade niya. for our final touch, I'm going to use makeup spray from Sparkle. Tapos, tanggalan na natin to. So, that's basically her makeup routine. Yan. So, ginawa niya tayong bare face. Naglabasan yung mga pimples ko, but it's fine. So, lalabas ako ng ganito ngayong araw na to. Kailangan kong nantuyuin yung makeup spray. But that's it for our today's vlog, and I hope to see you on my next one.